Hey guys, it's Alex from Straumann and today's 60 seconds is on our huge range of biomaterials. Our comprehensive portfolio provides you with exactly the choice you need to master any challenge you face. We understand that an all-rounder, one-size-fits-all solution does not always help you provide the outcome you desire or that the patient requests, with many clinicians shying away from treating cases with these needs. That's why we provide individual solutions for your individual challenges. Synthetic, bovine, human allograft, soft tissue grafting, regenerative and preservative, we've got you covered in every possible indication. And if you're really interested to find out how these products are used with examples of real cases, we also have the BOTIS indication matrix where you can find out everything you need to help. For more information on our biomaterials portfolio, please contact your local Straumann Group territory manager or follow the link below to the brochure. Thanks for watching.